Welcome to the 16th episode of One Engineer Podcast. Actually, we missed the 15th episode. We forgot to upload it, but whatever. We're going to discuss about the Apple event which happened yesterday, and a lot of YouTubers are talking about the stuff that happened, but we want to talk about the stuff that they didn't talk about, the things they were hiding, the gaps in the keynote and stuff. And this kind of a thing which you miss in a keynote, because in a keynote they just advertise all the good features. We're going to talk about some battery life thing and some millimeter wave antenna, 5G, 120 hertz and stuff. So stay tuned for that. And we're also going to talk about Zen, the new Zen 3 architecture.
Zen 3 architecture. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We have an AMD fanboy there and we have an Apple fanboy there. So yeah, let's go. So what happened is yesterday we're gonna live stream the entire event on our main channel, and we got banned.
Very nice. Yeah.
And now that you think about it, it's so obvious.
But
But
because the
we
thing
had our
is,
faces
bro, honestly,
Hmm.
I was watching a streamer, right? He's
Huh.
a YouTuber. He's not a streamer. He's a YouTuber by the name of Papa Ukas. Okay, I'll mention him a lot in the future because he's one of the
Mhm.
creators that I look up to. He's an Indian YouTuber who's like younger than me, but he's doing great work. So he was live streaming yesterday at 10 o'clock. And he was like, yeah, okay, we'll stream the Apple event at 10:30. I didn't actually stay to see if he actually streamed it at 10:30, but he said, yeah, Apple lets you stream, no problem. कोई सीन नहीं. So उसका सुन के मैंने बोला Advait को, yeah, let's do this, no problem. And then we got banned. So, yeah,
And
sorry
then
about
2
that.
minutes into the stream, we got a cop. I don't think it was a community strike. It was a warning. Nothing's
copyright
happened to
strike,
the channel.
copyright
It's completely
strike.
fine. Just one more of it, and we'll be banned for 1 week upload करने के लिए. But we miss it anyway, so put it off.
Cool,
And
fair enough. Okay.
yeah, so what do you want to talk? I want to talk about battery life पहले तो, because
Hmm.
they did
Yeah.
not mention battery life at all,
At all.
and they announced a mini phone with a 5G band,
Oh my god.
and that combination is lethal.
Shit, absolutely.
Okay, for those who don't know, 5G takes a lot of battery. बहुत ज़्यादा battery.
Yeah.
So
And-
it's problematic because if you make a smaller phone, you can't fit a larger battery in it.
Yep.
And plus 5G is sucking up all the battery. Although the new iPhones, they switch between 4G and 5G.
Yes.
But it is not clear what qualifies as this needs 5G. I hope movie downloads and what's up will qualify, of course, but what's the thin line there?
we'll see about that. But मैं क्या बोल रहा था? Apparently the iPhone SE, which is like the same size as the iPhone 12 mini, doesn't have a very big battery itself. I'm trying to look it up exactly how much battery is there.
But still, it doesn't have to do a lot, right? The screen is small, the processor is very efficient.
I just
And-
realized that the iPhone 11 had a 720p screen. Is that true, Advait?
Yeah, see, Apple case में they never go for resolution.
Yeah, of course. वो तो
बहुत-
ठीक है.
Those screens are really great. Like screen में resolution के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ होता है, of course.
Yeah, of
Like,
course. Yeah.
iPhone 10R में 720p screen था.
You gotta be. क्या बात कर रहा है, dude?
There was so much. There was this ऐसा entire
what?
list of Poco fans which were here कि 20,000 के phone में there is a better screen, and नहीं, the screen is not better just because the resolution is better. You can watch videos ऐसा कि what they did is they taped the entire phone हर जगह से, so you can't differentiate the iPhone and Poco phone में. And they made random strangers look at this.
Yeah,
those
you
two
can't
screens.
actually tell because my friend had an XR and I couldn't tell that it was 720.
Exactly, and the 10R is so much better than the Poco का screen for
It's
obvious reasons.
10x, it's 10 times better, man.
Although ऊपर जाके like ऐसा 1440p or 1080p में matters, but phone screen पे I don't think you can see a
Also,
difference 720 or 1080.
Apple has-
not even 1440 में.
So the thing is, Apple never plays the numbers game, right? वो ऐसा कभी नहीं बोलेंगे कि हमारे पास 64 MP का कैमरा है. They won't be like,
हाँ.
oh, we have the biggest battery, the fastest processor,
And the iPhone 11 Pro has the best camera in any phone, any smartphone.
yeah.
Like MKBHD का award है उसका.
Exactly. Even the latest cameras have like 12 megapixels. Like the iPhone 12 Pro Max has 312
That is the
megapixels.
sweet
Yeah.
spot they hit every time, right?
Yes.
They have, I think, mastered
Absolutely.
the camera work with that. And now
Definitely.
they're playing with the lens and the sensor and stuff. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has that stabilized sensor instead of the lens. I don't know what benefit that
Very
gets,
cool.
but
No,
it
it gives you better optical image stabilization. That's what it is.
I guess. But coming back to battery life, I'm worried about battery life काफी ज़्यादा.
Yeah, because one red flag is that they didn't mention anything about it at all.
वही.
So they're like,
Although
my
they did
God, this
mention
is-
battery life, they addressed कि 5G को बहुत battery life लगता है, and they have software
put
में
certain features and
tweaked
stuff.
it.
Right.
तो and plus it's Apple, they'll pull something off. तो ऐसा कुछ तो I just hope they do it properly.
I agree.
Although we have had some 5G phones, they don't have terrible battery life, but they have huge batteries in them.
Yeah.
And battery life is one of the reasons they didn't include the 120 Hz screen.
Yeah.
Like वो एक reason था. The second was I don't think the 120 Hz screen का yield was good enough because iPhones are one of the most selling phones.
Yeah.
Like if you calculate Android पूरा, then it is different. But if you calculate each phone के हिसाब से कि Samsung का ये Samsung वो क्या बोलते हैं OnePlus का ये
Company
iPhone
type.
sell the most, I think.
Yeah. They
हाँ,
do. They definitely do.
Aggregate some, I think, because others they have to think as a scale
Yes.
के matter में, right? I think.
Yes.
So that was another problem.
Which is actually insane because, my God, like the volume, they don't have the majority. They still they don't have the majority. You know what I'm saying?
हाँ.
But they're the number one smartphone seller, maker.
The
whatever.
reason they don't have a majority is because Android make the manufacturers, right?
That's what I'm saying, right? They don't have the majority. They're still at the top, which is like insane to think of.
They produce a lot of phones. So
Yeah, they make a
when
lot of
you
phones.
produce these many phones, you have to think scale के matter में. So
Plus-
battery life is what you're worried about.
Plus, I feel they made this entire new crystalline material for their screens, which increased the durability of the screens.
I don't wanna.
So I
don't
think
wanna put words behind it. It's because glass is still glass.
Mm.
And I'm gonna wait for generic everything and stuff to come out. Uska videos.
yeah.
Although I want to talk about ultra wideband. Ultra wideband has been on my radar for a long time since
Okay.
iPhone. वो I think पुराने iPhones में भी 11 में भी था. 11 वगैरह में they never announced it. They just put ऐसा एक slide आता है when they are done talking about something. The phone रहता है and they put ऐसा stuff around it कि ये सब launch हुआ. And then iPhone 11 में they had ऐसा ultra wideband के एकदम छोटू सा and no one really gave it a lot of attention. And so what people thought is वो use होगा इसके लिए AirDrop में you can the device you are pointing to सामने that comes as a first device. And people thought that is their use, but Apple was thinking so many years ahead.
Yeah.
So the ultra wideband chip can detect devices centimeter के accuracy के साथ. ऐसा कुछ तो है.
Yeah, I think I've read that somewhere, or you've told me. Or
हाँ,
something.
that is true. But अभी HomePod mini के साथ and I think next जो devices आएंगे HomePod mini and Apple TV, they're gonna have these chips and they're gonna be like these beacons.
Yeah.
कि उनको पता रहेगा कि बाकी devices किधर हैं, since उनको पता है all the devices know where all of them are.
Absolutely.
And this is so cool. You can do so much when you have so much data कि
My
centimeters के साथ.
The demonstration of the HomePod mini, that was really cool. And at the same time,
and they put the phone near it and उससे play होना start किया, ऐसा कुछ तो हुआ, right?
Yeah, but I saw
HomePod
it in kind of a negative light because it's like wherever you're going, that thing is following you literally. So it was थोड़ा सा creepy for me. I don't know. It's just that it feels.
It would have been very creepy coming from some other company, but
oh yeah,
इनका पूरा game is privacy.
I swear, it's like.
Like
it's
imagine
so...
Google going on stage and saying we can track you at the centimeters.
Oh my god.
Accuracy.
Oh my god. It's like that software is micromanaging you. Like it's like it थोड़ा सा ऐसा dystopian हो जाता है. That's how I think.
Plus.
But some people like it.
Adds पूरे घर का security in place. कि if you're out somewhere and you have your devices at home and the HomePod, they put some software feature कि HomePod will know कि you're outside. And if it sees or I don't know, do you
detects.
It detects कि any device is moved, it can just alert you and stuff, which is so cool. Like I don't
That's
think
pretty
इसके लिए कोई how do you block ultra wideband? I mean उसका blockers आएगा, but it will be too late तब तक.
So what is exactly ultra wideband? Is it just the rainbow?
I haven't done a lot of research.
As far as I know,
being
it's
used again.
just a big bandwidth of frequencies that it can transmit over. Ultra wide bands. That's all I can
I don't know. I
make
haven't
out from the
done
name.
a lot of research onto how it works.
No problem.
I've done research into what it can do, and it can do a lot of stuff.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely.
It can do a lot of stuff, and it can do it well. So, and Apple's going to use every bit of it. Like it's faster than AirDrop, I think. Data transfer, वगैरह में.
Yeah. So that was the HomePod Mini. That was the ultra wide
What
band, and that
did
was the
we
screen.
miss? Oh yeah, iPhones are not gonna come with chargers and their
Power bricks.
earphone adapters.
Power bricks both those.
And charger वही होता है, and their earphones, right?
Yeah. Then
And
they stopped
what a
coming with
way to
earphones.
play it off, man. क्या?
They had stopped coming with earphones before, right? Or is this the first year?
What an iPhone. I think this is the first year, but
Really? Okay.
what a
That's
way to
surprising.
play it off. Like
Yeah.
normally a company would just ignore it and just not include it in a box, and these guys played it कि we are being environmentally friendly,
Yeah, you
which is
have
also
to do
true.
it.
It's not false,
Hmm.
but they played it in such a nice way. And
No, they have to be smart about it. They have to be smart about it. Because that's something, man, essentially, Apple is like the. Now I'm telling you, all the other companies are going to do the
all
same.
the manufacturers are going to stop including power bricks.
All of
And
them.
you know the good thing about
God.
this? Those power bricks were cheaper power bricks anyway. They weren't special.
Yes.
Now
Apple's-
we're gonna have really nice power bricks, third party.
Third party. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Let's go. Because I could not believe that the power bricks that Apple shipped with their phones were that cheap. Like I've seen them in videos, and they're like small, delicate,
Huh.
low wattage.
They are
thing.
5 watt
Like,
power bricks.
what?
It
Exactly.
takes a night to charge the iPad I have.
I swear 5 watt. What the heck is 5 watts? I don't believe these guys, man.
Although their MacBook chargers is really nice.
Yeah, there was a 65 watt something. Yeah, those are good. That's fine.
Mhm.
But then again, like, come on, man. iPhones, God, 5 watt. Why you? तुम मत ही भेजो ना 5 watt का भेज रहे हो. Makes absolutely no sense. But that does not mean that they're gonna take the price down, guys. Guess what? The price is the same. Whether you
हाँ वही ना.
need a
Some
charger.
people thought that they're gonna pass it down. Although I don't know how much that charger would cost anyway. Like if it's $5
Maybe
or
they did pass
$10,
it
who
down.
cares?
Maybe they did pass it down. We never know. I feel personally this year the iPhones are reasonably priced. I feel.
हाँ भाई 999. I don't know if they're reasonably priced or we have just gotten used to the pricing they have given us.
Nah.
But India में it's not reasonably priced at all.
Oh my god. Oh my freaking.
India में the pricing is a mess.
Insane, man. Okay, so let me थोड़ा context दे देता हूँ मैं तुम लोगों को, ठीक है? They did not up the prices for the Pro and the Pro Max versions from last year. The Pro is still at $1,000. The Pro Max is $10.99, $100.
$10.99.
And the base model iPhone 12 mini, the small cutie, it starts at $699.
It's not the base model technically. The base model is still the iPhone 12.
Yeah.
मेरे हिसाब से. So it's $50 up, and then they included another version which is $50 down, $699 पे.
It's $100 down,
पहले
buddy. There's a difference of $100.
नहीं पहले $749 था, right? iPhone 11 जब आया था the base model.
$699 पे release हुआ, bro. iPhone 11.
नहीं iPhone 11 release price
$699
पक्का?
था. 100%. हाँ, देख ले अभी भी देख.
I don't want to buy, just trust you.
Pretty sure.
Oh, I remember the 10R was $749, and then people were mad कि okay $50 थोड़ा ज़्यादा है price, and so they just bumped it down 11.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that was
Although
it.
the new box set design is nice, and MagSafe.
Oh, Max is so good. I love
MagSafe is
MagSafe.
gonna be so
I love
good when
MagSafe.
the accessories come out. Yeah.
Too good. Love it. Max is
And plus, they finally can make something like the AirPower Apple का failure, and now they can make it because they'll just have to put 2 coils and the MagSafe thing will do its job
Yeah,
properly.
yeah.
I mean, it's not as great as the AirPower thing,
Hmm.
but it's good enough.
I agree. I think this year Apple is really trying to open up to like third-party accessories. They've been trying for a year. I
Yeah,
think.
all
पिछले
those
साल-
antitrust lawsuits are finally doing something.
Yeah, and the thing is, the funniest part, funniest part was when they said ki the top selling game, the best whatever.
Everyone's like,
People-
oh, Fortnite's coming back. Fortnite.
Yeah.
We are on call after we got banned. We are on
Guys.
Discord call. And everyone's like, okay, wait, Fortnite वापस आ रहा है? What? The
Not
case is
possible.
settled? I think
Not
it's-
possible.
And they said League of Legends. And, no, League of Legends ki World of Warcraft. I don't even know.
League of
what
Legends,
the name.
LOL. League of Legends.
League of Legends. And we're like, okay, sorry. Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe.
that makes a lot of sense. Man, for Fortnite kaise? I laughed. People could actually think that Fortnite is coming back, but I'm sorry, it's not coming back anytime soon.
But the way they announced it, it was.
Huh. It's true. I
was
mean,
like,
whatever they said, it was true.
it's true, but you expect Fortnite out there. I don't know. I expected Fortnite.
No, I did not. I did not. But by the lawsuit.
I'm just gonna wait on the MagSafe accessories though. The wallet one is nice, and
Very
the power brick is nice. The charging wala. Although
Yeah.
we don't, and no one has it in hand, so no one knows how big it is. And so, can you use it while you're charging? I am not sure, but
Mhm.
when it comes out, we'll see.
Yep, true. That's right.
Coming
Yeah.
to Zen 3, AMD. I think it's gonna say a
Ex-
lot on this.
The other
Huh.
major hardware release that happened exactly last week, was AMD announced its Zen 3 architecture-based desktop CPUs. They are the AMD Ryzen 5000 series, and they're absolutely bonkers as we expected them to be. And
I haven't actually watched any keynotes, specs, or kuch bhi Zen iska Zen 3 ka. I don't know how.
what?
Ah.
Oh my god! It was, dude,
I had
surprisingly,
a
it
bad
was.
week, man.
The keynote was surprisingly short, literally 24 minutes. Literally.
They just came, they just killed Intel, and they're like,
I
okay,
s-
that's
I
about
swear.
it.
Yeah, and yeah, I wrote this in the key takeaways also. Like AMD knows that they're dominating the content creation market, like multi-threaded processes. They dominated,
Huh.
right? Zen 2 aaya, khatam, sab, to the ground. They burned Intel to the ground with Zen 2 architecture.
Ouch.
But then Intel still had like the fastest gaming CPU title. So with Zen 3, they were like, okay, we're gonna take that away from you. So they did that.
Oh,
So now-
they're gonna take the only thing that Intel has.
Yeah. So now the fastest gaming CPU is the 5900X that they released. It like the announcement price was $550.
Okay, gaming category. Acha, okay. Threadripper is still faster than Intel kind of CPU, right?
Of course, yeah. Gaming category
But
is different.
what
yeah.
qualifies as a gaming CPU? The
It doesn't have the highest number of cores, right? Gaming CPU is
Oh,
as less cores as possible, but still like the best performance. So that
Acha, the per core performance is what
per,
matters.
yeah, absolutely.
Oh.
absolutely. So high single core frequency.
Core performance. Huh.
Single core frequency. So
Damn, so AMD took that title from Intel.
so until now the title was held by Intel's i9 10900K, and it had a, I don't exactly know the specifics of it. Oh wait, maybe I do. 10900, okay, yes. So 10900 has 10 cores, 20 threads, with a base clock of 3.7 gigahertz and a boost clock of 5.3 gigahertz. But that 5.3 is like under very ideal conditions. But it gets very hot, so if you have good cooling, and like if you overclock it,
Like a custom water block.
yeah, like custom crazy overclocking, तब जाके तुम 5.3 hit करोगे for some amount of time, because like honestly consumers, they don't need 5.3 gigahertz.
How what are you gonna do with that?
Yeah, so that is changing. The AMD CPU that came out is priced at $550. As I mentioned before, it's got
That's-
12 cores and 24 threads.
Oh, so it's
Yeah.
priced very well.
Yeah, man.
What's the
So
base clock? What's the base clock?
It's 3.7, the same as Intel ka, and the boost clock is 4.8. So there's
Quite a gap.
and the thing is, with the 7 nanometer process, right, they can actually maintain 4.8 gigahertz for long gaming sessions, right?
I thought the smaller the transistor size gets, the harder it is to maintain good temperatures.
No. Transistor
Oh,
size
yeah.
to same, right? The space between transistors is smaller, right? So it sucks
What?
less power.
एक minute. When they say 7 nanometer, is this the size of the transistor that is reducing or the space between them?
The space between them.
Ah,
Space between them.
Yeah.
So that's why they say that density
I know
increase
that.
होती है. Yesterday, even
but
Apple
density
said,
तभी भी increase हो सकती है ना कि size छोटा हो गया था जो transistor
yeah,
का.
but no, 7
Oh.
nanometer, we can't possibly make 7 nanometer like right now. In a few
Of
years,
course.
probably it's possible, but right now, you can only
वही
the
ना.
distance between the transistors will be that's smaller. So that's why so the A14 Bionic is based on a 5 nanometer node process, right?
हाँ,
And that's why they could
thing is,
fit like 11.8 billion, I think they said.
that's
Yeah.
a huge number.
There's 11.8 billion transistors in the A4.
It has come to a
A14
point
Bionic.
where we don't even talk about Apple processors because everyone knows it's gonna be better than what
Dude.
it was the last time, and the last time one was best anyway.
Those chips are insane. Just insane. Like they literally beat laptops. Like they seriously beat laptops. My god, it's crazy. It's crazy. I can't wait
Welcome
for
to
them.
2020.
Yeah, man. I can't wait
हाँ
for
भाई,
them
I
to
am
transition
waiting
to.
for the
ARM.
ARM Max कब से
Yeah.
कब आने वाला है? And somehow
end of
starting
year.
में उनका developer kit का benchmarks leak हुआ था और उसके बाद कुछ नहीं आया. Like nothing credible enough.
Yeah.
So
They
those
have their NDAs. in place.
non-disclosure agreements are working their magic.
Yeah. What are we talking about? Yeah. 7
हाँ,
nanometer. मैं बोल रहा था
7
कि-
nanometer process.
Yeah, so AMD can actually sustain 4.8 gigahertz for long gaming periods because the chips suck less power and now they're even more optimized. They have a 7 nanometer plus processor. They didn't actually call it officially to 7 nanometer plus नहीं बोला उन्होंने बोला Zen 3 with an improved IPC, improved CCX, which is great. Like those terms and the technologies they use actually understood what they've done to make it better. So that's great. And the
AMD looks like a transparent company, right? They'll tell you what they did to make things better. I don't know. Does it?
Yeah.
And
they seem very friendly. AMD, in my opinion, it is way more customer friendly for some reason. I don't know why Intel is not. Maybe because Intel doesn't have like a keynote every year where they release their products. Do they? I don't think they do.
I thought every company had that.
They don't. Intel does
I
not
don't know.
do that.
Intel looks like that unreachable social media star,
Yeah.
and AMD is your childhood
Friendly
friend who
neighborhood.
became famous now.
Yeah. Holy shit, that's actually very accurate. बचपन का दोस्त
हाँ.
famous हो गया. Yeah, that's right. Let's talk about the 5900X is not the most powerful chip that they unveiled at the product launch. It's the 5950X, and this baby has 16 cores and 32 threads with a base clock of 3.4 and a boost clock of, wait for it, 4.9 gigahertz. My god.
Oh,
Bro,
I want to see
4.
processor beat the 5 gigahertz mark.
Yeah, that'll happen when they move to 5 nanometer, I believe. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that will happen when AMD or at least Intel will not move to 5 nanometer in the next 7 years. Aram se.
75 years.
Oh my god. But yeah.
Our editor Vedas, he shared a joke that day. He, two people come back from time travel.
Oh, yeah, they try.
And they're like, what year it is? And he asks
That was
someone
hilarious.
what process is Intel using, and he says 14 nanometer, and he comes back, I have no clue.
Oh my god. Too good. That was really funny. Good one.
That was really nice.
But the 5950X, which is Ryzen's new flagship processor, is priced at $800, $799. 16 cores, 32 threads, boost clock of 4.9, which is insane because if you think about it, sustaining an all-core frequency of 4.9, my god. So I'm going to explain to you what all-core and single-core performance is.
Actually, that's really important because
So sorry. I should give
like
some
if you have
context.
16 cores, that is 16 times the difference single core. Or
Yeah,
square.
absolutely. So when a company says that their chip has a base clock of 3.4 gigahertz, it means that all their cores for example 16 in the 5950X 16 के 16 core will run at 3.4 gigahertz at all times. Minimum load
Unless
3.4.
it's thermal throttling.
Unless it's thermal
throttling.
Yeah, good point.
We won't go into that for obvious reasons.
नहीं, so वो लोग बस ये बोल रहे हैं कि under normal conditions, room temperature, whatever you're doing, our chips, our cores, our 16 cores will not go below 3.4 gigahertz, which is crazy because my laptop's peak speed, my laptop's boost clock is 3.9. So that's an insane number if you think about it. और वो भी 16 core में जो heat dissipation होता है वो I mean AMD के लिए it's much better because of 7 nanometer again, but there's a lot of heat, but they still are saying कि 3.4 gigahertz से नीचे नहीं जाएगा. And when they say कि हमारा boost clock is 4.9, they are saying कि under maximum load, our all 16 cores can run at 4.9 gigahertz at a sustained
Did they mention
level.
all 16 cores? Usually boost clock single core होता है, right? Like companies try and do that marketing shenanigan. They just say कि
Oh yeah,
boost clock is
that's right. Actually,
the boost clock is
That's
4.9 gigahertz and just a single core can achieve
single core
4.9
can.
gigahertz.
Oh, that's right. Of course, मेरे laptop को ऐसे ही. They said कि it has a boost of 4.1 but CPK core
Intel is
doesn't.
notorious for doing that.
Intel is notorious for doing that. I thought कि these guys. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if it's like, I don't know if AMD means that all 16 cores will go at 4.9 or only one core will go at 4.9 or only
It's
the
hard to
performance
believe all
cores
16 cores at 4.
will go at 4.9. Yeah,
That would have made a lot of news.
I agree. Yeah, because that's an insane amount of power. 4.9 solar core. भाई बजा के क्या इधर? So yeah, I'm assuming that's the case also. So when companies say कि हमारा processor will go at 4.9 gigahertz under maximum pressure, maximum load, they mean कि हमारा एक core 4.9 sustain करेगा और बाकी जो cores है they will stay below 4.9 but not too far away, like 4.5 बाकी के जो 15 core है, बाकी 15
I
core
mean, it's
4.5.
super fast.
Yeah, which is still
That
very
is what
fast.
we could say.
My God, it's too powerful, man, too powerful. And yeah, I mean, I think you're right when you say कि Intel is very notorious for doing that because उन्होंने बोला कि 10900K का peak frequency is 5.3 and that can't
And
be
let's
all
go
core.
with Sarah course of 5. Like, I haven't read the spec sheet, but it is
No.
not possible right now.
It's not.
Like,
So, yeah.
clear logic से वो समझ रहा है.
Yeah. But then again, how is अच्छा right. So okay. I was gonna say कि अगर Intel का highest frequency is 5.3 और Ryzen ka is 4.9, how is Ryzen the faster one? But then I realized that the performance matters beyond the frequencies and the
exactly.
benchmarks. Essentially, the benchmarks compare करके वो लोग ने बोला कि we are the fastest boys. Let's go. That's what we said. So yeah, that's pretty much it. AMD's Ryzen 3 Zen 3. Sorry, Ryzen.
हाँ. नहीं.
Zen
Coming back to this.
Ryzen 5000
processor का भी
Zen.
बात ही चल रहा था. Processor का भी बात ही चल रहा था. तो I was thinking कि just like phones do it, maybe it is already happening. I'm not that updated with processors and stuff. जैसे phones में होता है कि we have 2 or 3 high power cores and a couple like same या उससे ज़्यादा low power cores. And laptops में they can save a lot of battery these combinations because when you're doing light tasks, there is no need to power those high power cores.
Yeah.
And you can just have low power cores running and doing all
As far as I know,
small tasks.
that happens. Yeah, that happens only with like the GPU. I don't know if it happens. I don't think it happens with the CPU.
But then ARM के साथ तो वो होने वाला है for sure. ARM CPUs के साथ because ARM is made on that principle कि they'll have smaller, less, more efficient,
yes,
slower
yes,
cores and higher clock speed वाला performance cores.
That's the whole
But yeah,
ideology of
we
ARM.
would love to see what ARM has to offer.
It's gonna be an exciting end of year. Hopefully, let's see. You thought that Apple was done with its quarantine keynotes. It's not. Guys.
Oh, the transitions. Oh my
Yeah.
God. They at this
Too
point, like they know they're the best and they're just flexing at this point.
Yeah. Dude, the HomePod transition.
Oh, हाँ. It
Too
was this
good.
miniature model, and the camera goes into it, and it becomes
Holy
big house. I don't know.
shit. Holy shit. They built an entire set for it. For the
हाँ,
HomePod
exactly.
demonstration. My god. मेरी फट गई देखियो भाई. मतलब it's like टिम कुक भैया खड़े थे उधर बाजू में HomePod, फिर कैमरा घूम के HomePod के बाजू में इतना सा मिनिएचर सेट में से चिंटू सा आदमी चल के आ रहा है और हम लोग से बात कर रहा है. Like what? Optical illusion 101. That was a lot of fun. बहुत मजा आया.
If you don't watch Apple keynotes, I'd suggest go and watch them बाद में, because there's amazing
Just-
pieces of art.
Just watch
And-
them for seriously. Those are art.
हाँ.
They're art. Just watch them
Although
for
it has
inspiration.
a disadvantage, because yesterday when we were watching it on, as in the keynotes are shot on really high-end cameras, and then जैसे ही keynote से iPhone footage में जा रहा था ना, you could see it instantly, no matter how much they tried to hide it.
Very
And it's like,
bad.
okay, अभी switch हो गया.
Yeah. You should probably not do that if you want to like promote your product.
हाँ,
But
but
yeah.
still, those keynotes are amazing, and
Mm.
it's like it feels like you're in Apple Park.
Oh man.
The the place is called Apple Park, and it feels like you're there with all those transitions and stuff.
I was saying the
Huh.
most unexpected one happened on the roof of the building.
Oh, हाँ.
मैं बोले छत पे इसको छत पे चढ़ा दिया ये लोग. Nice, bye.
I don't know how they shot that. Was the solar panels उसके पैर के नीचे? It would have
I
gotten
have-
so hot उधर.
I have no clue. I'm pretty sure those are not solar panels. Also, yes, I also thought of that. How did they bring the camera to the roof? My god.
Cranes
They're
होते हैं ना,
acts-
cranes या drones.
हाँ, drones से तो नहीं shoot किया. I'm pretty sure
Drones से
that-
shoot करना is so much easier. Cranes लाने से better.
हाँ, but the video quality takes a hit, right? They won't be. I'm sure.
अरे
they have-
पागल हो, DJI वगैरह थोड़ी use करता रहेगा. They have, you don't know this. There
अरे-
are these cinema drones.
I know.
And they look like ऐसा killer bots, एकदम बड़ा होते हैं, and you just put the entire red camera उनके ऊपर, like
I know.
MPs की जो red camera use करते हैं, you just put them.
Yeah, but would that's only the smaller one, like the Komodo, I think. You can't
नहीं,
put all the
you
red
can
cameras.
put पूरा
Are you
red.
sure?
अरे there is this guy called Potato Jet, जिसका YouTube videos I watch,
Oh yeah,
and he
I-
does this
I-
amazing cinema camera stuff,
I know.
and he had that drone thing where you just put the camera on it, any big camera, I guess.
Hmm.
So, I mean,
Nice.
putting a drone up there is easier than putting the crane up there. And camera में थोड़ा tension नहीं. Like these are cinema guys, come on.
Fair enough. चलो ठीक है. But regardless of how they shot it, it was very well done.
हाँ भाई, वो roof पे जाके we're just joking she's gonna do a drop test अभी phone का.
Yeah, and plus they had the view of the whole green Apple Park in the background, so that was a great time for them to announce.
हाँ,
कि,
okay,
sorry,
that is why they
charger.
went up there, because they wanted
Yeah.
to show off all that greenery.
Yes, they were like
Yeah.
5 million, 500,000, आधा million, 5 लाख,
half
5
million
Half
cars.
500,000 cars of the street का फायदा हम कर रहे हैं. So they had to announce it with full display of the greenery. That's what they did. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this episode of the Internet Podcast.
हाँ भाई,
If
it's
there
a
are
short one.
anything
We are getting good at this, so we kill the points एकदम fast. We don't do hours fast का time pass. So the
Yes.
episodes are getting a bit short, but yeah, they're more informative and interesting. So
That's
thank
true.
you for
And
watching the Unengineered podcast.
If you have any topic suggestions, please let us know in the comments.
Yeah, for sure, we are running.
Please follow us on Instagram. Hopefully there'll be some awesome. We put stories there, essentially, where we discuss
exactly.
these events. And I'm Antique Boy on Instagram.
And I'm Life of Advait. You can watch.
We are
watch my life there.
We are the Unengineered Podcast. The Unengineered Podcast on Instagram. And
You'll find
that's
a
pretty
link
much
to
it.
everything. The website, our amazing editor.
Check out the
And
description.
Yeah, you'll
description very important.
Just check out the description. You'll find everything there.
Yeah. And we'll see you next week, or hopefully very soon, if episode 15 and 16 release at the same time, or like one day.
हाँ,
like,
नहीं,
I
we're
don't
gonna
know.
see what to do with that.
Yeah, let's see.
Sure.
Regardless, we'll see you next
Bye-bye.
week, and until then, get unengineered.